Okay, everything is nicely packed away with the label showing. Outstanding. Okay, let's move on to communication kit. Very strong whistle. I like these, they're nice and flat, easy to put in your pocket, cargo pants. Another communication device, I have a yellow one I showed you earlier. Tie these up, you won't get lost in the bush. Or you can mark a spot, you know, that's good to go to. And I showed these ones earlier. These are the Cobra with the USB. Of course, part of communication, you're going to need markers, pencils, and pens. Another part of my communication kit is a field notebook. In this field notebook, I have my language. I always love to speak my language, so I'm always going to have that with me. These are prayers in my language to make sure that I don't lose my humanity. Speaking to the Creator and all the helpers. Notes section I make all these pages in sections. Hunting lists, things I have to do and hunt for. So I'll just write it down. Quotes, I love writing prepper quotes, different kinds of quotes. More prepping quotes that I've picked up through various preppers on YouTube and websites and what have you. And I have contact information. You don't need to know the contacts. A little personal. And lastly, in this pouch we have the third communication device, and that's it for this, so I'm going to put it all away. Next section is small kits. Compressed paper towels. You know, you got 16 of these. I always put labels. Add a little water and you got yourself a nice size towel. A sewing kit. This is so important to have in your kit. So basically I have my thread. I have multiple different thick and thin needles. I have buttons, ranger bands, and I got more stuff to add to this. But right now this is what I got so far. And the last one in here is my mini fishing kit. I really like this kit. And I got everything all labeled. So this section here is sinkers. This one here is small hooks, medium, and large hooks. And this is actually a dollar store that was full of bits and bobs, you know, picture nails and little tiny hooks for the wall pictures and what have you, eh? I just got rid of everything and filled it up with a little fishing kit. Now, I'll give you an example of how I set this up because I think it's really cool. So you roll it out, and it's made out of paper and color. I highlighted it, highlighter on the paper, and then I just put the hooks on top, and I put some packing tape over top. So now I can just punch the hook right through the paper, and I won't compromise the rest of the hooks. They're easy to pack up. And of course everything's labeled again, because that's how I roll. Same thing with this. This has got little hooks in it. So large hooks here. And that's it. A DIY fishing kit.